Get hype! Yeah! Let's go! Juicy juice! God damn! Juicy juice! Previously on Kimba TV. So step 1, levels. Step 2, plan. Step 3, patience. I mean, think about from all of the levels that it could have bounced from. It bounced from our level of 170. Look at this reaction. What the fuck? Juicing like a motherfucker, boy. Pixel top short.
Shout out Kimba.
Pixel bottom long.
Let's get it. Kimba was popping.
Oh my God. Are you serious? If you don't know what my entry is on Trump coin, then you missed the Pico top short, the Pico bottom long. All right, we might be able to get another short today or another long today. High doesn't look finished, so no shorts until that high gets clean. Maybe like an SFP. Obviously, S&P is doing its thing, so we got to see that bitch top off a little bit. But just like, 5-second alpha TA, 5-second, I would say like SFP here. Or maybe, how low did CME actually go? Let's do all of these levels. Obviously, these are not right. But, where the fuck is this? Jesus Christ. Let me do these levels real quick, man. Let me do the levels real quick. Whoops. What was settlement? Yeah. So I think maybe like a VWAP or value area low retest for a long, and then a short would be like a swing fail. All right. But yeah, I got to get caught up on some of this S&P stuff today. So, okay, we'll wait for that. Let me get caffeinated real quick while we wait. How y'all doing? Easy money, schwiggity money? Easy money, schwiggity money? How we doing? Happy Monday. Burbeezy says, did you full TP on all-time high? I still have my long running. I had a little bit shave for all-time high. But I mean, I just woke up like 10 minutes ago, like 15 minutes ago. So yeah, I'm just looking at it right now. I only shaved a little bit. The high doesn't look finished. So, and like, look at the candle closes. That's pure math. It's the 0.25. If I'm up 350 on MEXC, imagine how I'm up on the other exchanges like Kraken, right? Gotta be testing it!
Shout out Kimba.
That MEXC leaderboard is bullshit because you own MEXC and you put yourself on the list every fucking week. I know it. Mario! All right, any questions, ladies and gentlemen? Knowing it will drop to 105K, would you want to not short? Well, the high isn't good, so you got to wait for edge. You would never short or long because you think it's going to go there. You still need permission to take the short or long. So you wait for edge. Those are bad highs, right? You will never see me in a short unless it's like a golden pocket bearish retest on the downside. So, but yeah, wherever, whatever you think is right, go for it. The most important thing is that you plan, you prepare, and you believe. And if something goes wrong, you learn and improve. So, I don't like today. I hope some of y'all maybe that missed the long in the past, you know, well, I don't want to say anything because we got to take it 30-minute candle close by 30-minute candle close, but I just hope it's a combination of, man, every fucking day you guys get an opportunity to juice for yourself, think for yourself, plan for yourself. You don't need me holding your hand, right? Because I'm looking at the same shit that you're looking at. You're looking at the same shit that I'm looking at. So it's not that really difficult to figure out, like, do you have bullish edge? Do you have bearish edge? Plan, anticipate, be disciplined, wait, right? Hey, and look, some of y'all juiced on the short, right? Some of y'all juiced on the short, right? Some of y'all juiced on a long. Some of y'all TP'd the short. Some of y'all still waiting on the long. I don't care, you know? But generally speaking, regardless of what you did, regardless of what I did, okay? What do you think about, on a scale of 0 to 10, what do you think about the levels? Okay, can we give it up for settlement? Can we give it up for VWAP? Can we give it up for Fibonacci? Can we give it up for 30-minute candle closes? What are we doing? Talk to me. I don't know, man. I hope you guys were able to, regardless of what happens, okay? Whether it goes to the 618 or whether this 30-minute candle structure is it, and we're gonna, go, because that settlement retest, god damn, that's pretty as fuck. Okay, that's a pretty motherfucker right there. Okay, that's like the Brad Pitt of bullish retests, right? Okay, no. So, but anyways, Dayox says train station again. How? Okay, no, okay, no, wait. Do you have a plan on how you're gonna chase this? What is your plan? Are you as bullish as I am and you're going to think for 113, 110? At least a swing fail of all-time high? Okay? Because you should have like a tolerance level where you would be willing to tolerate market smashing or getting up to. Can I give you a hint? Because what if I were to tell you that you're about to leave value? Because what if I were to tell you you're technically not bullish until you get the fuck outside of value? Okay, because if you're a bull right now, it would be hella funny if you get slapped the fuck back down at value area high. Goofy motherfucker. So really, breaking above value area high and turning that into support would be the best case scenario for bulls. Okay, which means you might be starting to think about, do I post only, limit that bitch? Do I market smash that bitch? Is there a chance that I'm going to get a bullish retest on that value area high? Am I willing to pay? Come on, man. Come on. And, hey, stop the music for a second. Hey, and I don't care what you're in, you know? If you have like a Pico top short, dude, that's fucking awesome. Let that bitch roll, you know? At least a golden pocket. Bulls, you know what you need to do, right? You know what you got to do. You got levels that you got to get above, right? Bears, you know what you got to defend, right? So now it's like, who gives a shit which way we're betting? Now it's like an actual football game. Now it's a soccer game, offense and defense. Which side are you rooting for? But everybody should still be able to enjoy the game, right? Stop loss and profit, ladies and gentlemen. Yes? Let's go! I'm booting up Warzeezy. I mean, what? Dude, gentlemen, it's fucking 10 o'clock in the morning, Monday. My voice is almost gone. And we're going to start playing Warzone and blowing that major Latuche. I'm excited to see what happens, man. I can't predict the future, but you know what bulls need to do? You know what bears need to do? Bulls, bears, we're all lions, okay? And I will say it again. I don't care if you're in a long. I don't care if you're in a short. None of that matters to me. Math is the math. Juice is the juice. Damn. Back-to-back mega epic Streams, boy. Well, we don't know what's going to happen yet here, but I just feel like preparation-wise, you know, we do a pretty good job. Nay says, I'm in America today for the inauguration, blowing Latuche. America, man, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, you still have 90 seconds-ish on the 5-minute candle close, but I think it's all right to be aggressive and put stop loss at break even. You could get, obviously you guys all know what the structure is like, the rounded structure. So you could maybe see like a little bit of a smaller pullback, but as you can see, you know, when you stop people out, you don't really want to let people back in. So, yeah, what you guys think? What you guys think? And there still is the, you still need to get above value area high, by the way, bulls. Okay? But like once we get above value area high, like I'm booting up Borzizi, I'm loading the Latuche, like a stop loss, you know, tiny profit. And it's whatever, you know, if we get a home run, awesome. If his swing fails, whatever, you know, but, 11 more minutes on the 30-minute candle close. Can't lose, okay? You don't have to close the whole thing out. You could shave like this, right? You don't have to close the whole thing out right here. All right, Inky. But at the end of the day, Inky, you know where your entry is, right? I don't know where your entry is, but you know where it is. And you also know what your position size is, okay? Maybe it's 10 Bitcoin. I don't know, all right? But you can say, okay, I'm going to close the whole thing out here. Well, how much in realized profits does that get you? Actually, Kimba, I'm gonna shave a third here, a third here, and a third here. Okay, fine. What is the PNL? Okay? As long as you're okay with whatever this is, then we're good. Okay? What I don't want to happen is you tell me, okay, I'm gonna close a third here, a third here. And then you see what the realized profit is, and you go, what the fuck? Oh, I should have just closed everything up here. Well, why the fuck did you not? You know, that's what frustrates me. So as long as you are prepared and you don't get God emotionally, I don't care what you end up doing, my guy, because I know you're ready for the next battle. Okay? So as long as you have just put in that little bit of baby effort to just make sure that you're okay with whatever happens that you decide to do, then you've got my blessing. I'm never going to judge you on it, brother. You know, sometimes I like to go for home runs, and so I will tolerate. I'm gambling. I'm risking unrealized PNL, right? Some people have to risk realizing a loss, right? Sometimes I can play with unrealized profits. Right? Have you ever, like, won a blackjack hand that you shouldn't have? Like, dealer, like, it's a whole, like, you make a 20, like, pulling a whole bunch of little cards, and you see no big cards come out, right? So you, like, press. You're playing with profits type of shit. All right. Hoorah! You guys doing all right? Hey, Lions. Happy motherfucking Monday, man. What a fucking day. What a fucking week. What a weekend, huh? This week almost got my yesterday long. First off, sliced bread. Dude, you should have TP'd a good chunk of your long, hopefully, up here. Okay? But yeah, no, they got everybody. I'm glad that you didn't. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, they got him. They got him. And they did boom, 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 boom. Ain't that crazy? Did you see what happened? So can you just at least articulate what happened? Let's not even talk about this is what's going to happen or anything like that, because we can't predict the futures. The shorts don't need to get hunted, right? But as we were dropping, the longs were getting stopped and there were people shorting into the dump. Wow. So, you know how I feel about that. You know, I would love to clean that high, boy. I would love to clean that high, boy. Stop the music. Splitcho says, can you teach me how to read the net shorts and net longs? Sure, I can do like a quick one. Can you see that on the move down, all of these longs got stopped out? Open interest going down means that positions are closing. Open interest going up means that positions are opening. Okay, so you see, like basically that's why I have my cursor parked up here, because you can see that 24 million in shorts opened right around here at 104.656-ish. All right, so if, for example, and there's no guarantee that anything is going to happen, but let's say, for example, it goes bank, bank, and this goes dink, that means that that short got stopped out. If we go beep, and the open interest stays the same, like it doesn't go down, then that means that these guys are still open and some of them are underwater. So instead of sitting here and saying, oh, these guys are going to get stopped out, or oh, somebody's going to get trapped or whatever, it's just about being patient and seeing what eventually happens. All right. It's like you can see so many things working in conjunction. VWAP is holding the price down. So that's bearish. We're below value area low and settlement. So you've lost almost all the bullish edge that you had going into it. And it makes sense because everybody that longed yesterday here got stopped out too. That kind of makes it an even weaker low. So that's going to get swept. So for me, I'm looking at that shitty low. I'm looking at that shitty high. And I'm thinking to myself, swing fail of that, swing high of that. But if I had to choose one, I would prefer the swing fail of this, because I want the weekly low or the weekly high to get put in today or tomorrow. And we're a lot closer to this one, and it would kind of make sense. Everybody gets hella bullish and then boom, nuke, 85, 70. That would be kind of interesting, huh? So of course I'm ready to take that one, but if I had to choose, I think I would prefer that one. Yeah, but we'll see. And we got full rotate, so daily open is outside of value area low, and value area high is all the way over there. PDPOC is right next to value area high, which means that there isn't much resistance, and then basically getting above the value area low is matching up with the levels of where people started to short. So really, like that zone between value area low and value area high is where, you got a bunch of shorts open, so 60 mil worth, so. Historic says today was juice. Let's go. Reddy says sorry for LeBeat, expecting last sweep at value area high in 112. Sure, but also 97 long. If they leave it like that, even better for 97 long. If they clean this, then I don't think I'm longing 97. I might wait for 85. Yeah, it depends on what happens. I mean, even stuff like this, like you got to be aware of this. Yeah, so, level by level. All right, don't try to predict the future. Be prepared for a pump. Be prepared for a dump. Always. Sounds good, brother? Yeah, I would prefer, I would like for this to go, clean the high, give me a good selling tail, like a really nice wick, and then go down and maybe clean 85 or 70. But if they leave the high like that, and since US markets are going to be coming back, the thing about cleaning that before tomorrow is that all RTH levels need to get cleaned up as well, which means that if you go and sweep this, there's actually a chance that it's unfinished. So maybe coming back down and sweeping this, or getting into a 97 to go and clean it with RTH could be a play too. It just takes time. So, all right. Yeah, so take a look at timings of things and levels and, what is RTH? Regular trading hours. Yeah. Corey, let's go. For CME on the bottom right, you can toggle it between RTH and ETH, electronic trading hours. So, all right. Any other questions? Kisorek says still, once again, all-time high outside of RTH. Exactly. So, if you really just purely want to go off of RTH, you could, swing fail this, or maybe even leave a bad high, or 3 drives. I mean, so many things. But if we are going to reject here and do this, then doing something like this could be interesting, or just waiting until the 97, Yeah, instead of like a sweep of that low. Yeah, so we're ready for everything, I feel like. 97 might be like the next easy long. Obviously, we wanna look for data and confluence. Yeah, and I hope so this is what RTH looks like. Here, let's go to the 8-hour candles. 6 hour. There you go. This is what RTH CME looks like. Lions, you guys are the fucking best. Longers, I'm rooting for you. Shorters, I'm rooting for you. Bulls, bears, we're all lions. Sato, tell them what happens if they don't use stop loss.
Hatcha!